How to find your education settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your education settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile here, and here you will find edit. Click on it and then just click more information, and here you will find this one, education. Click on it and then just click here you can manage anything you want and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.